Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of my game devlog. In this video, I will be working on the NPC logic, what we have left off yesterday, and pick things up from there. Let's go through the project and see what we were doing. Um, I was able to include a story mode UI and add an NPC. We used a sprite for, I guess, for the first time in our videos. So um, and we added a quest indicator. So let's just start the game real quick and see. Yeah, so this is an old man and he is trying to say that I have a quest available for you. So what the next thing that we can do is maybe we can add some kind of a on clickable function on the old man. When we click on the old man, the a pop-up should appear and the old man tells us what our um, quest is and whether we want to accept it or decline it. I guess we should not give an option to our users to decline it. Maybe we can just accept it only and just have it in his maybe some kind of a journal to look at. Okay, so let's go ahead and work on this behavior and just NPC logic. Should I update the old man to let's- something like this now? Bit better. Let's just much better. Anyways, let's go back and see. Yeah, old man is looking good, but this some kind of a I'm not sure. I think I should just Google it. Um, Settings for a sprite in Unity if it's pixel art. Point no filter compression set to none. Where is compression? Yeah, so this was the issue. And now our old man looks great. Anyways, we have fixed this. How about these? So let's go back to our quest system and not the quest system, NPC logic script, and see what we can do now. show available quest. But do I need to do this in our quest system, right? Um, let's just change this a bit. And check if any quest is available. So am I doing this over here? No. Or maybe add available quest. Quest available, and lastly something like this. Okay. Now when we click on NPC logic, the NPC logic should something like this. And where is this? Do I need a reference to an NPC? Let me think for a moment. So I need to move all of these to my system. I need to pass a reference to our NPC logic. Do something like NPC logic dot first indicator image. Should change up when I accept a quest, it should change to NPC select. Let's create more states for the NPC. Enum NPC state. This should be idle, maybe not idle. Yes, idle. Quest available and quest given, quest complete. Should have something like this. Let's and now we also need a dialogue manager or a dialogue system. But we will not be working on it today. Maybe the next thing that we would do is to work on the dialogue system, but currently I think I should work on the NPC logic. Play some if the NPC isn't in an idle state. So what we can do is we can just show a dialogue that would say how are you doing, or it's a fine morning, something like this. But when a quest is available and we click on the NPC, it should the NPC should say something like, I have a quest for you, and can you do something like this for me? So that would be calling something like this. I guess I need to maybe work with delegates now, because I was thinking if there are prerequisites to quests, right? And we need to on every quest complete we need to tell every single NPC to check if there was any prereq quest that we had just completed, and you maybe need to show the next available quest to the player. But let's not think about it as of yet, and let's work on this. NPC quest given. Um, hmm, this should be something like let's move this here. And we need every NPC needs a reference to our quest system. So let's do this for now. Quest system and something like this. Not this should change our not to was received. And given quest complete. Quest complete. Should be something like current quest dot state is equal to complete, and quest system dot on complete quest. we will be updating this function. Maybe we can change it to a void, but for now this I don't want to change it that much. um, there should be a button. To NPC and like this. Let's add a button to our NPC. We don't actually need, well, doesn't matter. Now we have a button and we can do something like see button dot on click dot add listener. Just do something like on NPC clicked. Let's iterate to, okay, let's just pass these values. Complete, given, hit play. And we are not this should be true. Okay, so do we need to give NPC logic every single? We are not setting so what is the current state of our NPC? Let's check. It's idle, right? So in idle, are we doing something? No. In idle we should do something like it. No. Current quest dot state is equal to so what is the state? It's still idle. Yeah, we're not actually changing the state of oh no, this is not correct. We need to change state to first available and then change the NPC state to something like this is much better, and just change the state to first given. Oh, but the next time on click function is clicked, then it would say something like this. Let's cut and paste over here. On quest given, where is on? And change the state. Maybe I need to change the names of my states to make it much clearer. But for now, I think yeah, no, it shouldn't be set to quest complete. The next time I click, no, it should not. This is a very could be a very big mistake. Should give the and then when I click and give the item, only then it should say that your quest is complete. See, something like this, and let's just check what states are we going through. What about an old man? Is available, locked. It has given us we came here. Quest given and I need to look into this. Hard, quest is available. Okay. NPC collect. Show available quest. Quest given. Add available quest. Detective true. So let me just check. So it was correct. My bad not to change this to something like this. So now it would show us the correct indicator. If I hit play, it would show us an available quest. If I click, so let's see. The quest has been given to us, and we need to now complete our quest. So let me just take a quick break and I'll be back in a moment. And we are back, and let's check why our states are not progressing. Let me okay, I am changing the quest state to received, right? And let's see if that's the case. Received. So it is working fine. If I click, let's just go through the whole NPC steps without actually checking if the items that we need for the quest are with us. Just here is the NPC logic. It's on quest given. It should change to quest complete. State complete. And after we have completed our quest, should go back to that idle state, which is correct. Something like this. Receive complete. And let's change this to completed sprite. Now let's go back to Unity and see if quest is working. So I might have to change or reset the values of our quest every single time. Let's reset quest. Change the state to Let's see if our logic is working. It's available, and the old man is showing that a quest is available. And if I click on the old man, now we have received our quest as the indicator shows a question mark. And if I click on the old man again, it should show us a check mark, which is the correct behavior. Let's just implement another logic where after n number of seconds this check would disappear and the old man would go back to its idle state. Quest complete. Let's add a coroutine over here. Related quest complete timer time this just quest indicator image dot game object set to false, and we can start a coroutine here and quest complete timer would be I guess maybe let's say 3 seconds, and let's go through our quest again. We have this and after 3 seconds it's gone. Quest set is complete. Let's click over here, nothing happens. Okay. Idle, right? In the idle state, nothing happens. Great. Okay. What now? What else do I need to check? Let me think. We have a bit time left, so how about I have some checks? So if where is our pay system? If the NPC is calling, so why are we doing this over here? We can just call these states from maybe for on quest complete, and we can just do something like this. Go back to NPC Logic and just, yeah, so the sprites, I don't want to pass my these quest complete sprites to every single NPC. Maybe this is fine, I guess. If I click on, let's go back over here on quest given. Just given changes it to quest complete, right? But we won't be doing this over here. Okay? On quest given would call another function, check if quest is filled. And it should be a bool. So if something like this and not, then return. And now it will be adding the same thing, but I need to check. Let's implement this for now. Improve. And what can we do? Check if quest is fulfilled. Player. We need a player reference. How about we do something like this? This. Something like if inventory manager dot let's go here and do something like get item from inventory. Quest item, get item. But I don't think we need this lot index. I think we just need like this, or maybe a list of items. No, this is wrong. Return null. If total Am I keeping track of our quest items? So whenever I click on pick item, right, I need to add the item to a list. So private list quest item available, something like this, and over here spawn, you just picked item dot add, and from drop item we should picked item dot remove. There is no do we have a current item? This clear picked items should be if quest item let's do a for loop instead. Is less than picked items if is equal to null, remove at now we have added picked items over here. If dot contains quest item, run very nice. Let's go back over here. Inventory manager dot get item current quest dot guess I should current quest dot quest items and over here what I can do is just call inventory manager over and over again, get item items, and if this is I know there is a sequence break, but let's just hit play and check what is going on currently. So we need this debug on, and we need to pass cheese as a quest item as our old man needs a cheese, right? And we would, as a reward, we will implement the reward functionality, but let's just click here. Is it not initialized? Picked item. Yep. No. Nothing is happening, right? Because there is a sequence break. When I click on the old man, it is, instead of giving me the quest, it's trying to check if we have the quest item, the required item in our inventory. If we don't have that item, it won't progress. So let's just add an item real quick. Open this, add item. Do we have an item in our inventory now? Yep. And let's click on the old man once, and now it is working fine. Now what we did was we changed our state to like the current state would be given, order given, quest given. Where's the NPC? Quest given, right? So when I click on quest given, and we are not actually changing the state, right? So let's maybe do something like this. So even though our sequence is broken, let's just quickly check if everything works and then fix it later. Let's click here. We don't have a item. Let's click this again, and it is completing as the item checks are being fulfilled. So let's do this again, but let's just change the item to cheese, bigger cheese. So what now? Currently it's not letting us get a quest, and if I add an item, nothing happens because we are not getting the right item in our inventory. And if I pass this add item and click over here, everything works fine. So yep, how about we on completing so this should not be here. This is what I so yeah, so this should not be here, so this should be somewhere here. But again, let's just set this to active right now. I think I should do something about the states, so it would be much easier for us to read later on. So let's just click over here. And it is not completing our because we don't actually have a cheese. Now we have a cheese, and if we click on the old one again, it would say you have completed my quest. So let's go back, and maybe if this is on quest complete, give a reward. So yeah, so one thing that I missed is this is accepted quest. When we complete a quest, we need to remove it from our accepted quests, right? Because it's done, we have completed it. And we also need to remove this from available quests. Remove quest. Now this looks much better. Okay, on complete quest we need to not actually yes, NPC Logic has an inventory manager reference. Let's see, doing anything with this get item, maybe on quest complete I should give a reward right over here, inventory. But do we have a reference to our current? Yes, of course, because this is an NPC and NPC is giving us the quest, right? So inventory manager dot current quest, sorry, inventory manager dot add, maybe what was this, pick item. Maybe I should create more functions with different variable names, even though if they are the same, to actually make it much better to read my code. So let's just use this for now. Let's add something like current quest dot quest items. Let's just do something like this. Would be reward items, not quest items. Let's hit play and see if we are receiving a reward or not. Click has given us item. Yes, we have gained another item, which is a bigger cheese. But the quest item is not currently getting removed from our inventory, and we need to fix that. We need to call drop item. Slot clicked. Current slot index. Just check this if this will create an issue or not. Let's something like this. I'm not sure if this will change current slot index. Hit play and see if let's test out our inventory. Add a couple of items. Change this item to a bigger cheese. Sort these. If I click somewhere doing this and I hit drop item, this is working fine. Okay, which is good. Which means that we can actually drop our item directly from our quest system, or maybe the NPC logic. On quest complete. I just if get item is not equal to Okay, how about I just create another function where I get index of an item, get index of item. If contains this, then here is a wonderful tool, and if I just copy, get index of item, let's call this get index of item, then this, and call drop item with current index. We have only 3. Okay. So drop item, we need to call this over here, inventory manager dot drop item, and we need to pass something like, we will change this. This is the hard-coded value just to check if our NPC logic is working correctly and our quest is getting completed and we are getting a reward. So we are actually running out of time. It's already past 1 hour mark. Let's make it quick. We have nothing. Now we have an item. Let's click there. Click over here again. Let's see in our inventory. We have, oh, I am actually dropping my reward item. Very sad. Let's go back, and so the drop functionality is working, which is very good to know. Now if I hit, nothing happens. Add an item, check inventory again, item is there, click on the old man, check inventory again, and we have a reward item when we have completed a quest. So I can also do something like maybe shift this up. Why? Because when we drop our item from the inventory, a slot finishes, and what this would do is, what if we have, so let me just show you guys something like this. So what if with the current logic we have a full slotted inventory? So it's better to just show it. So something like this. Okay, we have full slotted inventory, we receive a quest, we complete the quest, and you'll see what happens. We complete the quest, we see the inventory, and we actually did not receive our reward item. And why is that? Because we were picking up the reward item before we were dropping the quest item, which according to us we have given the quest item to the old man or the NPC, right? So by just simply doing cropping item first, even if we now have full slotted inventory, we can actually receive that rewarded item. So let's verify this real quick and just open this up and fill the stars. And if now we have our reward item available to us. So yeah, I guess this is pretty much it for today's video, and we have actually completed made some progress with the NPC logic, and it is currently working perfectly. We just need to change these hard-coded values to actual actual values that reflects our quest items. So what if there are multiple quest items and we actually have them in our inventory? What then? So yeah, let's tackle this I guess tomorrow. And yeah, this is it, and I hope that you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.